About 36% of US workers are part of the gig economy, and apps that help people make money have done a lot to break down the barriers that used to keep people in the office. You can make money with free apps to pay off debt, add to your income, pay for a hobby, or even support yourself full-time. The best apps for making money let you sign up quickly and easily and let you work on your own time. You also get paid quickly and easily. Today we are going to discuss the best apps for making money in 2022 to 2023. But before we start our countdown, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. 6. Toluna. Toluna is an app that lets you take surveys and get paid for giving your opinion. It has 10 million users all over the world, and the lengths of the surveys vary. Most surveys last between 10 and 20 minutes, and you can earn points by taking them. Toluna also lets you pay with PayPal or a bank transfer. This is a new app that can help you make money. It's free to download from the Apple App Store or Google Play. You have to earn 90,000 Toluna points before you can use PayPal. When you reach the required number of points, you will get a gift card as payment. Users can choose from 28 gift cards on Toluna. When users fill out their profile surveys, they can earn more points. Users can also choose to get text messages instead of email, which may be faster. You can also use Toluna to make money by becoming a Toluna influencer. This program gives you points that you can use to buy things from well-known stores or get cash. This app is mostly about paid surveys, but Toluna gives you a lot of other ways to make money. Most of the time, each survey will take between 10 and 20 minutes. But if you are willing to put in the work, you can make up to $10 per hour. 5. PUBG UC. UC is a hot new way to make money in PUBG. You can turn PUBG coins into cash, gift cards, and other things you can buy in the Play Store. If you like this new game that uses augmented reality, you'll be glad to hear that PUBG UC will be one of the best apps for making money in 2022. It can be hard to get UC in the game, but there are several ways to make money through the game. One way is to fill out surveys or watch commercials. You can get credits for doing things like taking surveys, downloading apps, and watching ads. Then, you can take these credits out of your account at any time. You can also earn more than one currency at the same time. Participating in tasks and games is another way to earn UC. You can get PUBG UC by taking surveys or doing other things in the game. The mGamer app lets you trade coins for PUBG Mobile UC, but the amount of UC you get from these tasks is less. For every 1,000 coins you earn in mGamer, you can get 40 UC. In PUBG Mobile, you can earn both UC and cash by streaming the game on different sites. By doing this, you can charge your viewers money and use that money to buy PUBG UC in PUBG Mobile. Also, PUBG events often give out UC as prizes, which can be used to buy things. You have to sign up, log in, and finish missions to take part in these events. 4. Rakuten. You may have heard of Rakuten if you're looking for a new way to make money. This popular place to shop online gives you many ways to earn rewards, such as cash back for purchases. Users can get points for every purchase they make if they turn on their shopping session and use discount codes. Users can also choose to be notified when a deal is available through push notifications. When you buy things from real stores, the app will also send you bonus cash in the form of a check or a PayPal account. People can also make money by telling their friends about the site. The promotions change often, so you'll always have a new way to make money. The biggest problem with Rakuten is that it only works with a few stores, so you'll need to learn more about each one. Some stores only give cash back on phones that they sell, while others do. Read the merchant's terms and conditions to see if it's worth it to sign up and use the service. But the good news is that using Rakuten is free, and the app doesn't have any hidden costs. In fact, the app earns money from its members through commissions. By shopping on Rakuten, you can get cash back on your purchases. Some stores don't let you track your purchases like this, but Rakuten does. When a user buys a certain amount of goods through Rakuten, they can get cash back. It's possible that Rakuten will use your browser to keep track of what you buy. You can also use the app for free when you shop online and get money back for telling your friends about it. 3. Fiverr. People are looking for new ways to make money because they use apps on their phones for an average of 4 hours a day. You can buy and make a custom logo with the Fiverr Logo Maker. The AI-powered logo maker on Fiverr lets you choose between different sizes, formats, and colors. This app is a great way to make money on the go, and there are many ways to start. Before you sign up, you should know how each Fiverr package works. Here are a few of the most common ways to make money on Fiverr. Make an account as a seller. At least 65% of your profile needs to be filled out before you can start. Your profile can have information about you, and before your gig is approved, you may have to take a skills test. Then you can sell services that people in your area want. Fiverr is one of the best ways to make a little extra cash because you can do it from the comfort of your own home. 2. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the best apps for making money on mobile devices. It gives you a lot of ways to make money. You can get paid to do things like watch videos, take surveys, or use search engines. It also has deals where you can get cash back when you buy certain things. And if you want to make extra money on the side, you can do so with referral programs. Aside from these, one of the most popular things about Swagbucks is that you can exchange points for gift cards and Visa cards. Swagbucks doesn't pay as much as most other apps that help you make money, but if you want to make some extra cash, it's worth a shot. Most people now have access to the internet, and you can do small odd jobs to make money. It also pays you to take surveys, read paid emails, and do other similar things. Swagbucks' only flaw is that it doesn't pay out very much. The app gives you many ways to make money from surveys, such as shopping at your favorite stores, taking surveys while you're on the go, and giving your opinion. Even though it's easy to earn money, it can take a while to save up enough to be able to cash out. Make sure to get their latest app so that you can get the most out of Swagbucks. And don't forget the $10 bonus for signing up. 1. Inbox Dollars. With the Inbox Dollars app, you can take surveys and do simple tasks to earn money. You can make money by reading emails, taking surveys, and watching videos. It was started by Darren Cotter in 2000, and members have already received more than $50 million. Once you have $30, you can get your money back through PayPal or a check. You can also choose to get your money in the form of gift cards, such as those from Target or Amazon. There are several ways to make money on Inbox Dollars. You can enter sweepstakes on Inbox Dollars to make money. You can get paid cash for taking surveys and looking around the internet. Coupons are another way to make money. You will get $1 for every 10 coupons you print. You can even cash in these coupons and buy things with them. You can also turn your points into gift cards to make even more money. You can make money with Inbox Dollars. This app is a great choice if you like to watch videos. You can earn anywhere from 1 cent to $5 per survey, depending on your age, gender, and interests. Inbox Dollars also gives you $5 for signing up for free. As soon as you sign up, you can start making money with Inbox Dollars. So, these are the top money-making apps for 2022 to 2023. If you like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching.